The Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor features an oil-free pump for maintenance-free operation and a long life. It is lightweight and portable at 30 pounds and features a long runtime and quick recovery. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 6-gallon Pancake maximizes portability and stored air. Number 2. Durable, oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. Number 3. 150 max PSI to ensure adequate cut-in pressure for a variety of applications. Number 4. 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI allows for quick compressor recovery time. Voltage 120 volts. Number 5. Easily starts up in cold weather. Number 6. 13-piece accessory kit includes 25 feet by 1/4 of an inch PVC air hose with coupler and plug assembled, tire chuck with plug, blowgun with plug, tire gauge, blowgun with OSHA safety nozzle, rubber tip, 3 inflator adapters. Number 7. 1-year limited warranty. Refer to the warranty and support section below for full details. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is this unit built in the US? Answer. This model is manufactured in the United States. Question number 2. ¿Viene con el cable de corriente? Answer. Yes. Question number 3. Does this have brackets for permanent mounting? If so, could it be mounted upside down to the ceiling? Answer. This product does not include a permanent mounting option and is not recommended. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.